Valley Metro is launching the Next Engineers of the Future program. However, this is the first year that the program will be entirely virtual. This program allows students to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. With the program online, it is now accessible to any student with a computer. One of the program's mentors, Tony Santana, says a benefit to going online is that the program is more accessible, and he hopes it can affect more students.
We are able to hit a lot more students. Where in a one-on-one setting, we pick specific schools, and that's the only schools we affected, right?
The website has videos that explain what a career in STEM is and shows students how to build small engineering projects, such as marshmallow bridges. These videos are to help students understand basic STEM concepts. For 10-year-old Doreen Martinez, her favorite project was the balloon car.
Because it's really fun to work in a teammate.
No, then they're gonna get sticky.
Potential energy, kinetic energy, and motion.
In addition to professionals, mentors also include college engineering students that share their own experience and work they have done.
It makes you smarter and it makes you concentrate in anything what you want to be in your life.
Even though the content is entirely online, the program still wants students to have an immersive experience.
Expansion of clean.
By taking virtual field trips.
So one of them takes place at the Valley Metro Operations and Maintenance Center. So you kind of get a behind the scenes look at where the light rail trains are maintained, fixed, cleaned when they're not in service.
The whole program is free and available at engineersofthefuture.com. For Phoenix TV Classroom, I'm Abigail Verwick.